He tamajo Dr. Jiva Sundar. This is Dr. Jiva Sundar from Mutalka Kipro. Here with me a guest, a young, energetic, a master in English profession. Is doing a brilliant job with the academy. No doubt, in spite of all the struggles, all the hurdles, all the barriers, but this person cold is a dreamful, is active, and doing a wonderful job in the institutions from district Umarkot to district Sangar and the rest of the Sindh conduct a different kind of the students with the different people, different brains. Today, I am lucky one to he give me a time for a interview in AI, my AI chorus. So, welcome, dear Chetan Das. You are a part of my team, my interview team, and please introduce yourself.
First of all, I am extremely thankful for Dr. Jeevat Sundar, who gave me the honor and recently whatever he honored the words. Really, I am extremely thankful for these words. So I am Chetan by Kasbhil, basically from Kipro Kahi. Uh, According to qualification, I did my master in English literature from Sindh University. Currently, I am as an English lecturer at the visiting faculty in Sindh Agriculture University uh, campus, Umarkot. And I'm
What
also
you,
social influencer. I record the videos. I make the videos for the students, and in those videos, I record the content regarding motivation, career counseling, scholarship alert, and English awareness. So there are different activities which are strongly related to my passion. So it is my little introduction.
can I say the in your view, passion become a profession?
Sir, I couldn't get. Repeat again.
Can I say about the Chetan,
Hmm.
an English boy, his
Hmm.
passion become a profession?
Yes, sir. Exactly. Teaching is my passion. Publicly, we can say this is a profession if we talk at the academic level. But when we uh, follow it, when we adopt this profession, and when we are working there, so then it can be passion.
What do you think about the our future students? They are interested to learn a communication language called the English.
Actually, if we compare today's environment to our previous time, so in this time, at that time, the today's students who are going great and they are more confident than the old student if we talk about the old period. So nowadays, students are learning and they are improving their communication skills in each and every government uh, and private schools. The students are being taught by their teachers English communications. And as you know, it is the time of social media. So all the students, even kids, they are watching the different videos on YouTube. They are watching different stories in the form of cartoons. So they are learning English language from their childhood. So English totally depends upon environment. So nowadays the students are being provided such type of beautiful environment, not only by their teachers, but they can join and they are uh, attending the different lectures and they are enjoying in the different videos at the social media. So it we can say that the English is the part of the today's youth, the today's children.
I
So
learned
we
from
can.
the Sorry. Continue. Please continue.
So, okay, sir. Do another question.
I continuously follow the TED Talk videos and English movies and the lectures of different people,
Hmm.
motivational speakers, and
Hmm.
leaders of education. I
Hmm.
learn one thing from all of them: we are not on the way of the education style. We are still on the way of traditional educational methods. Are you
Exactly.
agree with
Exactly.
me? Are you agree
Yes.
with me?
Yes, sir. I am completely agree to your this statement. Still, in government side and most of our teachers, they are still following the traditional teaching strategies. That's why they are not able to make such type of environment. Probably, I tell in the different schools and colleges, even if if the teachers are not speaking, they are not able to communicate. Then how they can get the hope to the student that they would be able to speak and they would be fluent in this language. So I probably suggest to the teachers, and not only to the teachers but also suggest to the student, because students have to do something. Teachers are following the old teaching strategies. So now it's time, and this is the responsibility. This responsibility goes to the students, because we are talking about the students' career. So now this responsibility goes to the student. They have to change. They must suggest to their teachers. If the teachers are not following their suggestion or their request, then they must request to the management. So according to this way, they can improve themselves and they can bring the such type of environment.
Are you agree with me on the point? Most of our teachers discourages the student because they are somehow are intelligent in their subjects. The teachers cannot appreciate them but
Exactly.
regret them. Isn't it true?
Yes, it is completely true, sir. Recently we were talking about the teachers and teachers teaching strategies. So if the teachers are not able to teach their student, so obviously they will scold to the student, because when the students are asking some question to their teachers and teachers are not able to reply them because they don't know anything about the topic, about their queries. So obviously the teachers will scold to the student. So teachers should prepare themselves before going to perform their lecture, their presentation in the class. So this is the way teachers have to change themselves, and we cannot say if the all the teachers who are appointed by the IBA, by the government, all these teachers are able to teach the student. And teachers they are actually not teachers. You know, sir, recently whosoever are appointed as a teachers, they are basically engineers. They are basically doctors, but today they are giving their services as a teacher. But we cannot say they are the actual teacher. They are just waiting for another opportunity regarding their career, regarding their passions. They are just waiting for them. So they are just passing their time. They are not giving their dedication to the student. So I also give suggestion to our prime minister during the live lectures at her, uh, we can say that, home. So I met to him and I told him, sir. So he also accept this. That, yeah, I accept your this suggestion. Actually, whatever or whosoever are appointed as a teacher, basically they are not teacher. They are just waiting for another other opportunity. So
Reason behind this situation is unemployment, insecurity.
exactly,
That's
poverty.
why that's why the many graduates of different subjects in different faculties, but haven't
Hmm.
the training of the teacher, but opportunity they got is the employment in the subject of the teaching, though they have no
Hmm.
experience at all, and they are too not interested
Exactly.
being a teacher because they work on their own subjects with
On subject.
confidently and passionately.
Hmm.
Reason behind this unemployment, they have need of the job, they have the need of the balancing the expenses of the family and future. That's why they adopt as their
Yes.
job as a teacher,
Hmm.
though they are not a teacher. That's why they cannot perform
Exactly.
their work in the schools or institutions
Beaut-
being a
Hmm.
deliver, but they deliver the lecture, not delivering the teaching skills for the development
Exactly.
of the skills with the future children. Chetan Das, one thing I want to learn from you, being a holding the English Institute, what you think about the students of rural desert areas?
So if we compare the rural and the urban students, so the rural students are more confident to the urban student because they are facing different difficulties, different challenges, and they are surviving their life in poverty. So all these are actually motivation for them. Probably we, I say to the students, there is only one way we have, and that is only education. If we student, if we people from the rural side would like to change ourselves, then we don't have the enough money as we can start any business. Our parents are not actually the rich or the richest, so we have only one and single agenda or single way, that is only education. So that is actually motivation. So the students from rural side, they are learning English, they are improving their skills, and they are following the adopting the different skills and career. So they are going great. I don't. I cannot say that they are not doing anything. So I appreciate their efforts, but still we need to do more things. So I'm totally agree to the rural students because according to their resources, according to their poverty or accordingly their condition, they are going great. But still they need counseling, and when they are facing the different problems or they are demotivating, so at that time they need to go to their companion or any teacher whom with they feel free, whom with they feel motivation or great. So they need to uh, say, or they need to share their difficulties or queries or problems to the person whom with they feel free. So obviously, and I have believed the person who will motivate and who will help them. So this is the motivation, and probably students have to learn, and they keep one thing in their mind, that where is the will, there is a way. So by this proverb, by this motivation, by this expression, they can achieve and they can do each and everything.
Wonderful, wonderful interview by the Chetan Bhil Saab. He's a innovative, motivational speaker in the field of education. In every type of the education, he always promotes the students of rural desert area. Let us bring the change by change of the books, by change of the library, by change of the changing the mind towards the education. He believe he is a struggling person, though is a philanthropist of our area. It's a proud moment he is with me. Spend 15 minutes with me, at least 15 minutes with me, with a wonderful interview, wonderful talk. I learn, I every time learn from the such innovators. They are wandering here and there for the development of the brain and for the growth purpose. This is Dr. Jivat. I pay thank you to Chetan Bhil Saab to with me in my studio. And today is a brilliant, wonderful day for me. Start of the day is still yes too. And thank you so much, Chetan Saab. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
Thank you. Thank
This
you.
is uh,
Thank you, Sarji. Thank you.
this is Dr. Jiva Sundar, Pakistan Zindabad.
Zindabad.